Let us solve for x and y given x plus y is equal to 10. Xy is equal to 80. Here, x plus y is equal to 10. Let us call this equation 1. Xy is equal to 80. Let us call this equation 2. From equation 1, x plus y is equal to 10. Now let us make y the subject of the formula. Y is equal to 10 minus s. Let us call this equation 3. Then from equation 2, sy is equal to 80. Let us substitute for y, which is 10 minus x. S bracket 10 minus s is equal to 80. Let us open the bracket with this x. S multiplied by 10, that is 10x minus s multiplied by x, that is s square, is equal to 80. Let us bring this 80 to the left hand side and equate everything into 0. 10s minus s square minus 80 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Let us put this in standard form. Minus s square plus 10x minus 80 is equal to 0. Let us divide the whole of this equation by negative 1. Negative s squared divided by negative 1. This will give positive s squared. Then positive 10s divided by negative 1. This will give negative 10x. And then negative 80 divided by negative 1. This will give positive 80 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Let us solve this using quadratic general formula. S is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, or s is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of d divided by 2a, where d is equal to b square minus 4ac. Then from this equation, a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 10, c is equal to 80. Let us compute the discriminants. Discriminant d is equal to b square minus 4ac. D is equal to minus 10 square minus 4 multiplied by a is 1 multiplied by c is 80. This is equal to minus 10 square, that is 100, minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 80, that is 320. And because d is less than 0, then we know that there are no real solution here. So the only complex solution is what we are going to get. Then d is equal to minus 220. S is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of d divided by 2a and this can be written as s is equal to minus bracket minus 10 plus or minus square root of minus 220 divided by 2 multiplied by 1. Now, square root of minus 220 is the same thing as square root of minus 1 multiplied by 220, and this is equal to I square root of 220. Then x is equal to 10 plus or minus I square root of 220 divided by 2. But 220 is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 11. This is 2 times 2, we have 4 multiplied by 5 times 11, that is 55. Then x is equal to 10 plus or minus I square root of 4 multiplied by 55 divided by 2. S is equal to 10 plus or minus I square root of 4 is 2, then root 55 divided by 2. S is equal to 10 divided by 2 plus or minus 2I divided by 2 square root of 55. These two cancel these two. 2 here 1, 2 here 5. S is equal to 5 plus or minus I square root of 55. Therefore, our final answer for S is S1 is equal to 5 plus I square root of 55, and S2 is equal to 5 minus I square root of 55. These are the values of S. We've got the values of S. Let us solve for Y. To solve for Y, from equation 3, Y is equal to 10 minus X. Y1 is equal to 10 minus S1 is 5 plus I square root of 55, and Y2 is equal to 10 minus 5 minus I square root of 55. Y1 is equal to 10 minus 5 minus I square root of 55 if you open this bracket with this negative. Y1 is equal to 10 minus 5. This is 5 minus I square root of 55. This is the value of Y1. Y2 is equal to 10 minus 5 plus I square root of 55. Y2 is equal to 5 plus I square root of 55. This is the value of Y2. Our final answer are S1, Y1 is equal to 5 plus I square root of 55, 5 minus I square root of 55. Then S2, Y2 is equal to 5 minus I square root of 55, comma 5 plus I square root of 55. These are the corresponding value of S and Y. You can see that the value of S1 here is equal to the value of Y2 here, and the value of Y1 here is equal to the value of S2 here. We may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, we have the given equation S plus Y is equal to 10, SY is equal to 80. Let us consider this. S plus Y, we have 5 plus I root 55 plus 5 minus I square root of 55 must be equal to 10. This cancel this. 5 plus 5, this is 10, is equal to 10, which is true. Let us consider this. SY is 5 plus I square root of 55 multiplied by 5 minus I square root of 55 must be equal to 80. 5 times 5, 25, minus 5 times I root 55, 5I square root of 55 plus I root 55 multiplied by 5, 5I square root of 55. Then I root 55 multiplied by minus I root 55. This is minus I square multiplied by square root of 55 square must be equal to 80. This cancel this. This cancel this. 25 minus I square multiplied by 55 must be equal to 80. I square is equal to minus 1. 25 minus 1 multiplied by 55 must be equal to 80. Minus times minus 1, that is plus 1. Multiplied by 55, that is plus 55. We have 25 plus 55 must be equal to 80. 25 plus 55, this is 80, is equal to 80, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe. Bye.